live abroad, but your savings in INR or USD are still looking for that right home. Tired of biased advice, poor returns and complex paperwork? Introducing NRI Invest Market by Rupee Rakshak. Expert investment guidance made for NRIs, not just HNIs. Banks push expensive NRI products. Relatives suggest risky stocks. YouTube gives random tips. But what you really need is safe, flexible, goal-based investing that works across the countries and currencies. The plan is for NRIs who want to invest small but smart. Whether you have $500 to $1,000 per month or a lump sum of $5,000 to $10,000, we build portfolio that suits your risk, currency and location. We help you invest in INR-based options if you have money in India, mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and in USD-based global assets like US stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, even gold, commodities and forex, through our global investment platform partner in Singapore, all tailored based on your investment size and risk profile. Worried about regulations? We ensure your investments are compliant in India and your country of residence. We also offer tax planning and filing assistance through our trusted empaneled CA firms. You stay safe, smart and stress-free. No 2.5% PMS style cuts, just a flat fee of 1180 per year for 3 baskets or 11,800 per year for a fully personalized global plus Indian portfolio. Go to rupeerakshak.com NRI Smart Invest, fill in the form in 5 minutes, get your custom plan in 3 working days. Smart investing shouldn't stop at borders. Let your money come home and grow globally with Rupee Rakshak.